I mean, oh my God, it is so soft. What's up, DV gang? So today I'm gonna be working with Unice here. They was nice enough to send me over a 14-inch closure, a 16, 18, and a 20-inch Brazilian body wave. So I'm basically gonna do an unboxing for you guys, and we just gonna jump right into this tutorial. When you get your hair, it basically comes in the package like this. When you open the box, this is how it looks. You take it out the box, you have your 3 bundles as well as your closure. You also get some Unice eyelashes, which I thought was really cute, and that's all that came in the box. Guys, I'm gonna start with the longest bundle first. Off the back, I already like that it had the rubber bands around the plastic, so your bundles won't be shifting in the bag. And this is, the longest bundle is a 20-inch. So I'm just gonna basically take that out of the packaging. The hair does come in a hairnet as well as a little hair tag, which I thought was like really cute. These bundles is from the Icenu series. I like the fact that it have like a hair tag, which also have hair tips on the back of it. Yeah, these little hair nets are gonna come in handy because I like to put my wigs in them after using them. So, oh wow. So off the back, this here is really soft. I love the pattern of the hair. It's just so bouncy. I'm not getting any shedding. And the bundles seem pretty thick. Ends of the hair are not straggly at all, so that is a plus. So we're gonna go into the next bundle. All right, this bundle is the 18-inch. As y'all can see, it's bouncy just like the 20-inch. And this one, I'm not getting any shedding. The hair is really soft. The ends are amazing, and this is how the bundle is looking. This here is really soft. I'm just gonna open up the 16-inch bundle. And just like the 20 and the 18-inch bundle, this 16-inch bundle is really soft. I think this bundle is like softer than the others. And it's really full. The ends are not jagged. The ends are full as well, and I love that. It have the little bounce. And you know, this bundle is going to look more filler because this is a 16-inch bundle. And last but not least, the closure. Like I said, the closure is 14 inches. The closure do come in a hairnet. Ooh. This hair on this closure, guys, is like baby soft. I mean, oh my God, it is so soft. This hair is so soft. And the ends are not jagged at all. I'm not getting any shedding. There's no hairs on my table, but this here is really soft. Now this is a free part closure, and this is how the lace is looking. I'm gonna go and shampoo and condition this hair, let it air dry, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys a little snippet on how I make my wigs. So stay tuned. Styling the hair. This is the final look. You guys gonna hear Harmony in the background, so I'm sorry for that. She's up. But this is the final look of this hair, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna give y'all my initial thoughts on this hair. I will be wearing this wig for about 1 or 2 months just to see how it holds up, and then I will be back for an update spilling all the tea on this hair. Okay, sis? First and foremost, when I co-washed and when I shampoo and condition the hair, I didn't receive any type of shedding, any type of tangling, and the hair still remained soft. Even once the hair was air dried, it still had its wave pattern, and that's what I absolutely love. I did go and flat iron this hair off camera. This hair was very easy to flat iron. As y'all did see, I did go way back and do some barrel curls. That wig was looking like Little Orphan Annie. If y'all know that movie, y'all know the hairstyle that I'm talking about. But I wanted something different. I didn't want the regular wand curls or the regular curling iron. So I was like, you know what? I have a Marcel iron. Let me just throw some barrel curls in this wig to, you know, give it a different type of look. And I absolutely love how the curls turned out. The hair is so soft. I cannot stress that enough, how soft this hair is. Since wearing virgin hair, I never in my life experienced hair so soft like this. It's just so silky. It's just so soft, even with no products. I didn't put no type of oil on this hair. Only thing that I used on this hair was some mousse, and as y'all can see, the Got to Be Freeze spray. I didn't use no oil. Even after shampooing and conditioning the hair still had a beautiful shine to it, guys. Now I see what the hype is all about when it comes to this hair company. Like, y'all, can't wait to see how it holds up. But overall, I really love this hair. Now, I do have one little slight con when it came to receiving my package. It has nothing to do with the hair. Y'all know we just finished celebrating Christmas and we just finished celebrating New Year's. I was kind of disappointed when I did receive my package just like this. As y'all can see, it was just a shipping label just put on the box, and it was, you know, just mailed to me like this. You know, some people, they will see a hair company box. Obviously, people would know it's hair in the box because it has hair tips. Automatically, people are going to be like, okay, these are bundles. This is some type of wig. I'm going to steal it. Not everybody, you know, have a good heart. Not everybody are good Samaritans. So I'm just so lucky that even though the packaging was shipped, even though the product was shipped like this, I'm just really lucky that I got my package, because y'all know how the post office be trying to play me, okay? Y'all already know my little situations I be going through with the post office, with FedEx. Y'all know how they be trying to play me and lose my package. So I'm just so ever grateful that, you know, I did receive my package. Overall, I don't have no issues when it comes to this hair. I cannot stress that enough. I'm gonna always give y'all my honest opinion, because ain't nobody got time to be wasting no coins, okay? Don't nobody got time to be playing and wasting no money and, you know, buying hair that's not good quality. But what I can say for my initial thoughts, this hair is really good quality. It's really good. And like I said, I can't wait to see how it holds up so I can spill all the tea to you guys. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, as well as turn on all your post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.